Any idea what this is? Looks like a brush. Let's take a look at this 5-in-1 AirPod cleaner. Costs around 149 rupees or $2 or so. You get a brush which you can use to clean anything. This tool can be used to remove keys from keyboard and clean with this brush. That's the AirPod cleaner. That's a brush. You can use this to get dirt from creases or lines. That's quite a clever idea to convert a nib into this. You also get a brush to clean inside the AirPod case. That's how it works. You can use this to clean these lines where dust can get accumulated. This also works on the AirPods. You can also use this on charging ports or other tiny areas on your phone. Not a bad brush to have. Quite nice. Check it out.